If you're currently selling physical products that you will have to ship to a customer, then it is very important to keep in mind the possibility of returning those products. And so you will need to ensure that you have a return or refund policy in cases of this. Now, it is also important to have a re- to have a refund policy for digital products as well, because after all, there can be issues where you need to refund someone's money for whatever reasons. Now, how do you get this? Because by default, on your Shopify store, this is not published. So I'm going to show you the steps how to get a refund policy, or how to set up your refund and return policy on your Shopify store. Now, once you're inside Shopify, just simply click on settings on the lower left hand side, and you want to scroll down to the bottom and you will find policies. So simply click on the policies, guys, and you will see those policies available. Now here you will see return and refund, that there is no policy set, and you can click on that. Now, one of the cool thing is that you don't necessarily have to write your own policy right away. You can do this, of course, and you can use the power of ChatGPT. So let me show you, for example, if I go over to ChatGPT and I just simply say, create me a refund policy, for example, create a full refund policy, you will see that ChatGPT will easily create a refund policy for you, and you can go through it, you can give it more details, you can modify it, you can just basically do whatever it is that you need to. So let's say ChatGPT create a policy for me. I can simply copy this policy right here. Of course, you want to ensure that you modify it. As you can see, for example, contact details, email section, you can copy that and you can paste it right here and just make whatever changes you need to make to it. And yeah, you can tweak it the way you like. No, you don't have to do this. This is just one option. You can simply use the option to insert template, and you will see that within Shopify, you can easily insert the template. And the cool thing about this option is that it includes your email, your address, whatever it is, to the necessary sections that you want to. You could also do that with ChatGPT as well. So for sections such as email, you could just say rewrite it and include my email, for example, a blah 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 blah, for example, at gmail.com, right? And you'll do that, and it will recreate the email for you. It will recreate the policy for you and simply include your email address. See, it works the same, super fast. So whichever option you choose to go with, you will be able to add your email address, right? So that's it, guys. That's really it. You can go ahead and you can do that, and then you can save it and basically publish it, and you will have your return and refund policy readily available to you. At any point in time, you can always go back, click on it, and edit it, and change it the way you want and modify it. It's really up to you. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and create your return and refund policy on your Shopify store. Very easy and very simple.